This 2024 Alliance RV Valor 40V13 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 44 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 7, carbon monoxide detector, oven, TV, LP detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, microwave, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Alliance RV Valor 40V13 is 14,988 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.